Hello there, everyone, and welcome to my kitchen. I have a special guest. My husband, Adam, is with me today. He's joining me in the kitchen, probably a little reluctantly. Anyway, we are going to be making an anniversary video today. Our anniversary is May 22nd, 1993. So we will be celebrating our 32nd wedding anniversary. And I'm going to recreate a dish that I made when we were dating. I made this when I was still living in my parents' home, and it was so bad that we couldn't eat it. What's it called?
Corn moussaka.
We always, oh, there, the oven's ready. We always call it corn moussaka. I'm not really sure if that's how it's pronounced or not. I think I've Googled it, and I think
We're not even 100% sure it's the same recipe.
No, we're not. But I Googled it, and I found something that's called corn moussaka, which is close to what I remember. Yeah. I looked through my cookbooks to see if I could find this recipe, and I couldn't find it. So I did Google it. I'm going to kind of put a twist on it to see if it's any better than what we remember. Who knows? It may be gross. We may not like it.
I may be having a hot dog for dinner.
Yeah, he might go out and get some hot dogs for dinner. Anyway, so we're going to give this a shot. It's kind of been like a joke. Our whole married life, we've joked about it and said, well, it can't be any worse than corn moussaka. Anyway, so that's what we're going to do today. We're just going to have fun in the kitchen. We thought you guys would enjoy this. So hang with me because it's that time. It's time to get cooking. All right, so let's see. I'm going to add, while he is frying up that ground beef, I'm going to take my casserole dish here, and I've got 2 cups of frozen corn I'm just going to put in the bottom of the casserole dish. And then I'm going to make the cottage cheese topping that goes on the top of this casserole dish. And I think this is the part that we remember.
Bella!
Yeah, Bella's going to bark. This is going to be one of those unfiltered type videos. I'm going to add some different cheeses. Instead of just plain cottage cheese, I'm going to put some other cheeses in there, and I've played around with the ratios. Yeah. All right, so 1 cup of cottage cheese. And Bella is joining us in the kitchen. And then 1 cup of mozzarella cheese. Oh. All right, then 1/2 cup of Parmesan cheese. All right, I'm just going to give a pinch of salt and black pepper, and I'm going to add 2 eggs. Just going to mix this all together. Okay, so you want to sprinkle in some flour into the ground beef, because then we're going to add a can of tomato sauce. That is 1 tablespoon of flour, garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of paprika. This is my addition. All right, so this is the part that I thought sounded kind of weird, or I think it tasted weird when I made it before. It has cinnamon in it.
Cinnamon.
I know. I don't want to put that much in there.
I put cinnamon in chili all the time.
I know, that is true. That is true.
So it's not that weird.
No, it's not that weird. It's just what I remember in my head. I don't know. How much do you think? A pinch? It called for 1/4 teaspoon.
That's not much more than a pinch.
All right, I'm gonna go with about 1/8 of a teaspoon. A can of tomato sauce. You think it needs salt? Yes, I didn't put salt.
You need salt.
So we need to put some salt. I don't know why I put salt in the. Needs more than that. I'd say about 1/2 of a teaspoon.
You think more than that?
Oh yeah.
Did you put any sugar in it?
I didn't. I can. You want me to? I can. How much sugar would you like?
I don't care. Whatever. That's fine.
I'll add a teaspoon of sugar. That beef mixture is going to go on top of the corn.
Put that on a hot dog. Sloppy Joe mix. Add an onion, be Sloppy Joe. Skyline chili.
That's not bad. All right, we got to pour that on top of this, up on top of the corn. It calls for this cottage cheese mixture to go on top. All right, so now it's going to go into a 350-degree oven for about, I think it was 20 to 30 minutes until the cheese is melted and
Cheese is bubbly.
yes. Well, I think it looks good, but Adam said looks can be deceiving. Now, we did make some egg noodles to serve over it.
After I complained.
Yeah, he thought we needed some type of carb, some type of sustenance.
Bread or something.
Yeah, so I made some egg noodles real quick. So we're gonna put it over that. But I think it looks good. Are you nervous?
Yes.
All right, so I think you snuck a bite,
Nope.
but I'm gonna give it a try. You ready?
No.
Go, do it. Oh. Does that bring back memories?
No. It's not the same.
I mean, it tastes good. I think the egg noodles was a...
The memory would have been, that's not right.
Yeah, I know.
That's the memory.
The memory would have been, can't eat this.
No.
This is good. I think the egg noodles was a great idea. I think it definitely needed that. What? What?
Right.
Thank you for cooking with me today. I know you don't love being on film, but that was fun for me.
That's good. Bella's here too.
Yes, Bella is here. She's in the kitchen, right in the middle of us. Anyway, thank you all so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. God bless. And as always, I will see you soon with more delicious recipes.